Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ted! Happy birthday, Ted! Wish you all the best, good health, and God bless from around the world staff.
Wala akong gift sa'yo. Simple lang, kasi happy birthday lang, sir. Para marami pang karawan dumating sa buhay mo. Happy kami para sa'yo. Dito lang kami sa likod mo, sir. Dito lang kami. Happy birthday, sir. Yun na. Salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Hi, sir! Happy birthday! Wish you good health and more blessings to come.
God bless you!
Hi, bye-bye!
Ice cream!
Sir, happy birthday. Naot nga malipayan ka sa imong birthday. Magpasalamat sa kunin mo nga daghan kay dugay na kayo sa imong negosyo na napaghapon ko sa imong pwede daghan salamat sa good luck sa happy birthday. Hinay ka po.
Sir, happy birthday. Maraming salamat, sir, sa lahat-lahat. God bless you and your family. Always good health sa lahat at marami pang iba, sir. May awa lagi ang Diyos sa atin.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted!
54! Ninday Sorian! 45!
Happy birthday! Sana marami mang birthday na dumating sa'yo at salamat sa lahat-lahat. God bless. Thank you.
Hallelujah!
Happy 45 birthday! Happy birthday, sir!
Okay.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted. I wish you all the best in life and good health. Hope nga daghan pagmatabangan sa Royal. And thank you nga ikaw ang nahimo na mong upline nga way pagkakupas sa pagtabang sa uban. And I'm praying that God will give you more strength and power to do Royal. And God will guide you and protect you all the way, especially sa imong travels nga makashare pa ka sa uban. O again, happy birthday. God bless you and family.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted. Thank you so much for being an essential part of Royal Cebu. God has given us a leader, a passionate leader. Thank you for helping a lot of people be successful in their lives. And so, in behalf of the staff of Cebu, may you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted! More birthdays to come. Stay humble and generous. Wish you good health and to your family. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Sir Ted!
From Haring Habagat family, happy birthday, Sir Ted!
Salamat, Sir Ted! Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Happy birthday po, Sir Ted. God bless po. Salamat po sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted. Thanks for being my daddy, second daddy in Royal. You're so cute. I hope by next month and by next year, macho na ka, tapos slim pa yun. Thank you. We love you, sir.
Never in our wildest imagination na mag-cross ang ating landas. Ikaw ang taong pinagbubutan namin ng lakas sa pagiging realista.
Salamat sa pagtulong sa amin at sa kapwa. To you, Sir Ted, happy birthday!
Maraming salamat and happy 54th birthday sa iyo. And salamat sa mga mentoring mo, advices na sinabi mo sa akin. Tapos maraming salamat sa opportunity na binigay mo kay Jordan sa mga royalistas, lalo na sa grupo ng Maplag, Kananga, Baybay, sa Ormoc. So maraming salamat at saka sa San Isidro pala. So yun. Happy birthday sa iyo at sa
Happy birthday, Sir Teddy. Thank you for everything. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Sir Ted. I wish you all the best. And I owe you everything. Thank you for giving us a chance, especially when everyone's turning their back on us. You give us the reason to live again and tinulungan mo kaming ma-discover ulit ang Royal. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Sir Ted. Thank you for bringing Royal again here in Leyte. And we all know and I know that kahit mabagal, basta't masipag ka lang, basta't ginagawa mo tuloy-tuloy ang Royal, alam ko at sigurado kaming lahat na merong mangyayari. So hindi man ngayon, pero alam ko meron talaga mangyayari. So ang talo lang dito yung mag-quit. So lahat tuloy-tuloy, wala mag-quit. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa Royal. So happy birthday and wish you more blessings and sana marami pa tayong matutulungan at masenso sa Royal. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Katedi. Good evening po. We are here sa Inland Resort for our 1-year anniversary of Royal here in Mahaplag. So we are so blessed that you came here, that you bring Royal in Mahaplag Leyte, and we had an opportunity that we can achieve our dreams through this kind of business. Thank you for your support, and thank you for your patience to us, and of course on how you brought us to be motivated more to study about Royal. So go on and on. We will be pushing our dreams to be pursue, and someday I will reach the top. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Dalan ko ni Marel. Salamat kayo sir ha sa imong pagtabang namo. And then I hope na daghan pa ang pagpapakalan. So dili lang ka na taas-on. So happy birthday again and God bless you.
Hey Sir Ted, mubo lang yun akong greeting sir ha, kay mapalaw na ang Snapchat. Once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. Sir, hopefully in this little message of effort na akong hindi mo, papasaya po kayo. Sir, thank you po for the big support sa Tacloban. O sa tanan niya yung gi-offer na ako dire. We do love you po and God bless you always. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Ted. May you have the best of everything always. Happy birthday. I love you.
To my kuya, my mentor, my upline, a brother, a family, and a friend. Sir Ted, thank you so much for the opportunity and for the trust that you've given me. For all this time, I thought life is not fair. I thought it was already the end of my journey. Till you came and you gave me a reason to fight, to love, to live, and to laugh. Sir Ted, never that I imagined myself without you in my side, for the reason that you really gave me. You really give me a big break and opportunity this time. So to you, Sir Teddy, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. May God continuously bless you and your family. Once again, Sir Teddy, thank you. Your royal family in Ramon wishes you all the best, and we are so blessed to know you as your mentor. Thank you so much and happy birthday once again. God bless you and your family.
Sir Idol Ted, magandang gabi sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Idol, alam mo, hindi pwedeng matapos tong araw na to na hindi ako makag-meet sa'yo. Dahil, of course, isang taong iniidolo ko sa industriyang ito. Happy birthday. Ano ba ang wish ko sa'yo? Of course, grabe ang blessing mo. Alam ko, ang dami mong matulungan dito sa industriyang ito. Alam mo, Idol, magmamadali ako. 1 minute lang to ha. Alam mo, nung una kitang makita doon sa Park Villa Apartel, alam mo ba, naglalaway ako sa'yo. Gusto kitang kunin, kaya lang nalaman ko, nagro-royal ka na pala. Pero it's okay, same industry naman tayo. Idol, bago matapos ang 1 minute, patapos na. Idol, gusto kong talagang taus-pusong i-greet ka at ang wish ko po, good health. And of course, lalawig pa ang buhay mo, kailangan ka sa mundong to. Ikaw ang kailangan sa mundong to, mga kagaya mong klaseng nilalang. Maraming salamat, naging magkaibigan tayo, Idol. At nandito lang ako, alam mo na yon. Happy birthday.
Ted, happy birthday pare. Parang kailan lang no, 54 ka na. Pero hindi ka naman mukhang 54. Para lang 53. Hindi ka lang malapit sa puso ko pare. Nasa puso ko si ikaw. Teddy boy, happy birthday pare. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you very much. Maraming pwedeng sabihin po sa inyo na yung siyempre na thankful po kami kasi you've been the greatest dad to us and especially to me for all of my life, 22 years. Siyempre, ang wish ko po sa inyo is sana na always maging healthy po tayo. Hindi lang yung healthy sa taba, healthy po na magkasama po tayo ng matagal-tagal po na panahon. Sana po na habang tayo magkakasama is sana po maging happy tayo or happier, syempre. At marami pong pwedeng sabihin pero ikakat ko na yan bago pa ako tumagal. At huling-huli na lang is we love you very much. I love you, Daddy. At sana maging happy kayo po sa araw na yun. Bye-bye.
Happy 54th birthday, Daddy. Ang tanging wish ko lang sa birthday mo ay bigyan ka naman ng good health, long life, and of course, great wisdom para patuloy ka maging inspiration sa amin and of course, sa maraming tao. Alam ko, mahabang panahon pa tayo magkakasama, Daddy. At gusto kong dumating yung panahon na makita mo ang magiging tagumpay ko, ni Nico, at ni Angel. Dahil yun ang pinakamagandang regalo na pwede namin ibigay sa inyo na maging inspiration din kami at patuloy kami makatulong sa maraming tao and of course, lalo ng tao na kapaligid sa amin. Kahit di ka man lagi sabihin, Daddy, kahit di man araw-araw, alam kong gusto kong malaman mo na mahal kita and of course, andito kami lahat lagi para sa iyo. So once again, happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you for being a great dad for me, Ervin, and Angel. Thank you for always teaching us ways on how to be a better person. Thank you for always loving this family, no matter how many struggles we overcome. We know that you're always there to be the pillar of this family. I love you very much, and you know that. I hope you enjoy your day and stay cool.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Ano ba sasabihin ko sa'yo? Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin. Basta alam ko, love na love kita. Ikaw ang best friend ko. Tsaka ayoko magsasalita na ganito. Kasi, alam mo naman, basta yun lang. Happy birthday. Wish ko best of health para sa'yo. At saka, gusto ko mag-date pa tayo pag mga 80s na lang. Huwag naman 70s, masyado maaga yun. So 80s, mag-date tayo, magsuot ulit tayo ng boxer shorts. Punta tayo sa Baguio. Basta, I love you and best of health. Silence.